Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, we're gonna be talking about probably my best passive income idea for 2022. Have you ever heard of the term big bank take little banks or the house always win? Well, that's referring to the casino. It's a reason that they're open 24 hours a day, 365 days a year and never close. That's because they're always making money and there's no bigger bank than the casino bank. So yes, occasionally you have your small gamblers come in and take a little profit here and there, but at the end of the day, the big bank always win, and that is the casino. Well, in this video, what if I told you that I bought this NFT that allows me to become part owner of an online casino? The name of this NFT is San Vegas Casino Club, and they're gonna pay out 50% of their profits every single month back to their NFT holders, and I own this one right here. So in the real world, I would probably never get the opportunity to invest and become part owner of an actual casino, but through the use of NFTs, I am now part owner of an online casino, and I could generate passive income every single month from just owning this NFT right here. They're paying out 50% of their profits in revenue back to their NFT holders. So big bank takes little banks, and guess what, guys? I am now a part of the big bank, and the big bank always win. So if all goes well in 2022, I would generate so much money in passive income just from owning this one NFT and by being a part owner of an online casino. I'm going to go through everything in this video, so make sure that you stick there at the entire video so you don't miss out on any crucial information. Go down, hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button. That helps out this channel more than you can even imagine. So the main focus that we're going to focus on in this video is that now San Vegas is now having a brand new drop to where you could become a part owner of their Web 2.0 casinos, which could generate you even more passive income. The name of their second drop is Golden Gambler, and they're going to drop them on February 5th. So I'm going to give you guys all the details about how you could buy one and all the benefits of owning a Golden Gambler, how much you can make every single month from owning a Golden Gambler, and how much it's gonna cost you to enter. So I'm gonna leave the links down to San Vegas down below, their OpenSea, their website, their Twitter. And then of course, I'm gonna leave the links to Coinbase so you could buy Ethereum down below, and a couple more links to free stocks down below, just in case you guys wanna get started on your investing journey. But this big brain investment allowed me to become part owner of this casino, which could generate me passive income for the foreseeable future, guys. So let's go ahead and just dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. Let me tell you a little bit more about San Vegas. Well, the golden drop is going to drop on February 5th, right? And they're going to use the funds from that to build their Web 2.0 casino, which is going to launch late May, early June. There are only going to be 1,111 NFTs dropped, and holders of these 1,111 NFTs, the golden holders, they're going to generate profit share, which they give about 50% of their profits back to their NFT holders, and they're also gonna generate an extra 30% on top of that for holding the Golden Gamblers NFTs. Other benefits of holding a Golden Gambler is not only that you're gonna get 30% and an extra profit share from the Web 2.0 casinos, you will also be entering into lotteries, you become an affiliate partner, and they also have a meetup in Vegas for only their Golden Gamblers. More is going to be discussed about that in the future. So a little bit more about how much can you make from owning one of these Golden Gamblers. So of course, they're going to be split among the 1,111 different holders, and they're going to be paid out either weekly or bi-weekly, and you could get paid out in different cryptocurrencies. You could get paid out in fiat, but me, I'm probably going to accept my payments in Ethereum. So here's a quick example of how much you can make. On the low end, if the Web 2.0 casino have a profit of $2 million, 30% is going to go to the golden holders after the profit share, and that's going to generate you $540 per NFT that you own per month. So if you own more than one, you would get $540 per NFT that you own, and that's on the low end. I believe that they should be able to make over $2 million in profit every single month. The next level is the mid level. I could see them making $10 million in profit every single month. So if they generate $10 million in profit every single month from San Vegas Web 2.0 casino, 30% is going to go back to the holders, and you would generate $2,700 per NFT per month. That's right, guys. That's part of being a big bank. I could see them probably not reaching 10 million their first month or their second month, but further down the line, that is a very achievable goal. That is the mid-range level goal. So if they do just reach a medium point, that mid-level every single month, that would be me bringing in $2,700 of passive income every single month just from owning this one Golden Gambler NFT. And then on the high end, guys, which is not completely unachievable, there are hundreds of online casinos out there that are making $1 million in profit every single day. So let's just say on the high end, they make $25 million in profit in 1 month. 30% is going to go to their golden holders, and that's going to give you $6,750 per NFT per month. That's right, guys. You could almost make close to $7,000 per month if they have an amazing month in their Web 2.0 casino, and you're going to get the profit shares just from holding the Golden Gambler NFT. So I plan on getting a Golden Gambler NFT on February 5th. This San Vegas Casino Club NFT that I own right here allows me to get 50% revenue share from that metaverse casino that is inside of Decentraland and inside of Sandbox. So they're building a big casino inside of the Sandbox platform right now, and also in Decentraland, to where gamblers could come in and gamble, and hopefully they lose their money, which allows them to generate revenue profit. And then they're going to split that amongst the 11,000 NFT holders. So I'm happy that I got in early on that NFT, and I'm going to also get in early on this Golden Gambler NFT. So that'll give me access to the Web 2.0 casino and access to San Vegas and Decentraland casinos inside of the multiverse. Inside of the San Vegas casino, they're going to have golden rooms that only Golden Gambler NFT holders can enter into, and also inside Decentraland. They have a whole roadmap planned out. I'm going to link that down below to their website, and you guys can read it yourself. So like I said, guys, if all goes well, this will be my best passive income investment for 2022. So let me show you guys exactly how you could buy one of these San Vegas Casino Club NFTs, and exactly how you could buy one of the Golden Gamblers NFT. I'm gonna show you how to set up your MetaMask and exactly what to do from there. So let's dive into that right now. All right, dreamers, here we are on metamask.io. You want to come straight here to this website, and you want to use the Chrome browser. It's not going to work on Safari. I know that it works on Chrome, and Chrome is a very safe browser. So pull up Chrome, your Chrome browser, and then go to metamask.io so that you can install it as an extension. So you want to come here, you want to hit download, and say that you're downloading it for either Chrome, iOS, or Android. I use Chrome. After you download it, it's going to pop up right here at the top right, and you just add it as an extension. Once you click your MetaMask, you'll sign up, you'll write down your keys. Please keep your keys, do not lose your keys. You write them down on a piece of paper, put them in a safe, lock it away. All right, guys, do not give anybody your secret keys, because then they'll have access to your cryptocurrency. All right, once you have set up your MetaMask and signed in, this is my MetaMask account I have. All right, so right now I have around 0.069 Ethereum in here. So you want to deposit some extra Ethereum. So you want to deposit Ethereum in here. I use Coinbase app. I just signed up from Coinbase on my phone, use the app, or you could do it from a computer, and then just send your Ethereum straight over to your MetaMask. You could either click here, that'll copy your address, or you could click the three dots on the side, go to account details, and then you can scan it on your phone and send it straight to that QR code. You can send as little or as much as Ethereum that you want to send over to your MetaMask. So once you have some Ethereum inside your MetaMask, you can now go over to OpenSea.io. So OpenSea.io, and then once you're here, you just set up your profile. It'll be nice and simple. So click right here, profile, scroll down. These are a couple of the NFTs that I own. Here's San Vegas. So it'll be San Vegas Casino Club official. Right now, the cheapest one that you could buy is 0.35. That is their floor price. That means that's the cheapest one that you could buy. You can hit buy now. This is one that you could buy right here. So it's not so much for the art, guys. It's all about the utility of this NFT. They do not have the most amazing art out there. It's all about the utility, but this one is just strictly for the utility purpose of being a part owner of a casino. So if you wanted to buy this the cheaper one right here, you could click on them. You can hit buy now. Right now I do not have enough Ethereum funds inside of my MetaMask account, but you'll just hit checkout, and then once you check out, it'll go straight to your OpenSea account, and now you own a San Vegas NFT. So that's just the San Vegas Casino Club. That'll give you revenue share for the Sandbox casino and for the Decentraland casino. So let's go to San Vegas website. Here's their Twitter and San Vegas Casino Club. This is where you'll be able to mint the golden collection on February 5th. You'll just come to the site, already be logged into your MetaMask. Bam, you're already logged in. And then as soon as February 5th hit, it launches in 2 days, 2 hours, 43 minutes, and 35 seconds from the recording of this video. It'll pop up, you mint, and then they're having a Dutch auction. The first one is going to be auctioned off at 7.77 Ethereum. And then I think every 30 minutes from there, it's going to drop by 0.5 Ethereum. So the early investors, they're going to have a higher revenue share. The first 111 is going to get a bonus 10% revenue share. The second 111 that get auctioned off is going to get a bonus plus 5% revenue share. And then after that, so if you get in early for 7.77 Ethereum, you're going to get a bonus revenue share. But if you're one of the last ones, remember that it's going to drop by, I think, 0.5 every 30 minutes or so until they're all sold off. It's only 1,111 that are going to be auctioned off, guys. So there's a little bit benefit of getting in early, or you could wait until it drops by 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 and be one of the last ones to get in. Hopefully you'll be able to pick up the last one. So there you go, guys. Will this be the first NFT that you buy? It's not for art, it's for straight utility purposes only. It's not a profile pic just to look cool. This is going to give us part ownership inside of casino, and then that's why I'm really in love with this project. If you already have some NFTs on your OpenSea account, go ahead and drop your OpenSea address down below. I would love to check out some of you guys NFT wallets just to see what kind of NFTs you guys are investing to, what kind of NFTs that you're holding. But if you would love to stay a part of this journey so I can show you guys exactly how this unfolds in the future, go ahead and scroll down and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future updates on this big brain passive income idea. But other than that, guys, if you want to pick up a San Vegas Casino NFT, I'm going to leave all those links down below. Thanks for sticking to the end of this video. I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.